Alright, I'm heading east on Broadway towards the lake. Broadway's a pretty... I'm heading east on Addison towards the lake. Addison's a pretty major thoroughfare. As you can see, it's been cleared by the plows. Not all the side streets that I've seen have been. Supposedly we've had about 18 inches of snow around here. Sidewalks are still pretty covered. Boots and snow pants here. A lot of people are just out walking on the street. Here's what looks like a cab buried in the snow. This is Pine Grove, which, as you can see, has not been plowed in either direction. Continuing on towards the lake, I can see at least one person on skis out in the distance there, cross-country skis. This is Addison and inner and outer Lakeshore Drive. There's a person on skis. Like there's a news van set up down there at the end of the street. This is outer Lakeshore Drive, the main thoroughfare along the lake. It's plowed, but it looks pretty empty. The news crew setting up down there, filming LSD. There was a focus of garbage trucks with snow plows helping to clear the street. Gonna cross LSD now. Limited head on over to the harbor over here. Alright, this is a lake. Mostly frozen over with exception of a few big cracks you can see there in the ice. There was some concern prior to the storm that there were going to be 20 to 30 foot waves swamping the lakeshore, including Lakeshore Drive. From what I can see and from what I've heard, that hasn't happened. But yeah, there is the lake. And I'm walking due south here along the storm wall. And I'm probably going to hook back around and end up back at Lakeshore Drive. So Lakeshore Drive's over that way. And end up over there. Alright, this is Belmont Harbor. Not a lot to see there, boats are long gone since before winter. It's actually not that cold out here. I'm wearing a ski mask and kind of the wind. Other than that, the blizzard is more an issue of the snow and the wind than the actual temperature. Supposedly by snowfall, it's the fourth biggest blizzard in Chicago history. I think I'm going to try to head back west and catch the L train down south. Back on LSD again. Some people doing snow angels in the middle of the street down there. A lot of tow trucks going by. A A lot of plows and jury-rig garbage trucks plowing as well.